Embark on a journey of healthier cooking with a Sensarte Nonstick ceramic cookware set, a 13-piece ensemble designed to transform your kitchen experience. This cookware set, free from harmful substances, not only ensures a healthier lifestyle, but also elevates the flavors of your culinary creations. In this review, we'll delve into why the Sensarte cookware set is not just a collection of pots and pans, but a game-changer for your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Health at its core. The Sensarte Nonstick ceramic cookware set takes health seriously. Crafted from natural ceramic, approved by SGS, this cookware is free of PFOA, PTFE, PFAS, lead, and cadmium, making it safe and healthy for your family. Even when overheated, it produces no toxic fumes, ensuring that your cooking environment remains pristine. Say goodbye to concerns about harmful coatings seeping into your food. Super Nonstick Wonder. Experience the joy of cooking with a super nonstick surface. The ceramic coating is not only smooth, but also ensures that your culinary creations effortlessly slide off the pan. Eggs glide without effort, and the need for excess oil diminishes, making your meals healthier and more flavorful. The Sensarte cookware set makes cooking a breeze, even for those intricate recipes that demand precision. Induction compatibility and durability. Equipped with a heavy-duty base, the pots and pans in this set are compatible with all stovetops, including induction. The cast aluminum construction ensures fast and even heating, maintaining consistent heat throughout the cooking process. Oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Please remove the handle when using in the oven. This cookware set is designed for durability and versatility. Perfect for small families. The Sensarte cookware set is tailored for the needs of small families. With a range of sizes and functionalities, including a 9.5 inches fry pan, 11 inches sauté pan with lid, 2.5 QT saucepan with lid, 4.7 quart casserole with lid, and 2 silicone utensils set, it covers all your cooking essentials. Additionally, the set includes 4 reusable pot protectors, ensuring your investment lasts longer. Glass lid and stay cool handle. The tempered glass lid not only adds convenience by allowing you to monitor the cooking process, but also limits splashes on your stove. The wood-grain Bakelite handle is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also comfortable to grip and stays cool while cooking, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable cooking experience. Why you need it. The Sensarte Nonstick ceramic cookware set is more than just pots and pans. It's a commitment to a healthier, flavorful, and convenient kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and understand why this set is a must-have for anyone looking to revolutionize their cooking space. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.